Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I will be showing you guys how you can change the color and icon of your reminders list on your iPhone. So to do that, you are just going to search for the reminders app, which I have right here. Then you are going to go to the list on the left there, and you'll be redirected to this kind of area. Okay, now you are going to select, there's an add list selection on the bottom right corner of your screen. You're going to select that, and then you are going to just make a new list. Hold on. And then you're just going to type in your list name. So for instance, the list name is, let's say, science homework. And you're going to scroll down, and there's a lot of options for the subject. For instance, for science, it's green. So select green, and you're going to scroll down. There's a lot of emojis you can choose from, like the icons you can choose for your list. There's this list one. There is the bookmark. I don't know what this is, like a pin or a key. I'm not sure. A present for birthdays, as well as this one. Maybe select this one to like buy presents, and then buy birthdays. And then this is for birthdays. Okay, graduation cap, backpack. Maybe you'll need to pack some stuff. I don't know what this is. There's this document one, book, I think wallet, like credit card, money. What are these called? Dumbbells? No. Are they? Weights? Running, fork and a knife for like dining reservations. And there's this like glass, medicine, for instance, if you have like a medicine schedule. What are these called? Stethoscopes? I don't know. I don't know how to pronounce it. Sorry. Maybe you'll need to use it for like a doctor appointment. I think this is a chair. I don't know what that's for. A house, a building. I don't know what this is. A tent, a computer, like, or a TV. I think it's more like a monitor. Music notes. Don't know. I think that one is for computer. This one's for TV. I'm not sure. Gaming, a headset, a leaf, carrot, maybe for vegetables, some people, pets, and there's more down here. Why can't I? Alright, you know what? I'm just going to select an emoji while we're at it. I'm just going to use this one for science. And then I'm going to press done, and you'll be able to see the science homework. You can add in your new reminders here. But that is basically it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.